Hi everyone, looking for best wet and dry vacuum cleaner for your needs? You are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to unbox and review Karcher WD3 multi-purpose vacuum cleaner. This brand comes in only one color yellow. It comes along with a dust bag, a manual, and multiple fitting nozzles can be attached to the suction hose according to your needs. Let's talk about its look. It comes in a stylish yellow and black color with unique design, thus giving it a smart look. It has smart locking system that ensures a hassle-free opening and closing of the container. This vacuum cleaner comes with inbuilt cartridge filter. This filter is very beneficial as it allows to clean both wet and dry waste without the need to change filter in between. Now I am going to show you how to assemble this multi-purpose surface cleaner. So all you have to do is just place this brushless part in the upper direction properly and then press it. To remove this after use, just place your thumb fingers on both the points and then press it. For suction purpose, we need to insert it front side. To use blower function, suction hose need to be attached at the back side. First, I am going to assemble all the accessories that came along, and then I am going to show you demo of cleaning both wet and dry dirt. Coming to its features, this vacuum cleaner has a motor of 1000 volts which gives a suction power of 200 air watts and comes with two suction pipes. So now I am going to put on a dust bag into vacuum cleaner. The disappointing features about this vacuum cleaner is that it comes with a paper dust bag that need to be thrown away once it is full. The package doesn't come with extra bags, thus the user needs to buy them online separately. Now attach suction hose and fitting nozzle according to your needs and then start using. Now all the dust is collected in this bag. Once it's done, just remove the dust bag from vacuum cleaner and then you can use it for wet cleaning. The best part of it is, as you can see, it instantly cleaning and drying out. This vacuum cleaner comes with a plastic body with a capacity of 17 liters. Now you can see all the dirty water is collected in it. Now let me test how this works on dusty windows. As you can see, sofa cleaning process is very easy now. Let me tell you final conclusion. This vacuum cleaner is multi-purpose and super functional cleaner for home. It has excellent suction and blower function. Apart from non-reusable dust bag, it is a user-friendly product. And I hope this review is helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.